Hello friends, once again I am here to explain you class 7th lesson number 3, a gift of chappals. So let's begin with explanation. Part 2, lesson number 3, a gift of chappals. As we learned that Mrudu heard the screeching sound of violin. She started peeping through the window where Lali is going to practice. Lali was sitting very awkwardly and she is also holding violin very awkwardly, and in front of her music master is holding violin very firmly, and he has a gold chain gleaming around his neck and one diamond ring glittering while he is gliding up and down the stem of the violin. He had bald head. While music master is playing few notes, it was like the wheel of a train fitting smoothly into the rails and whistling along. But when Lali is going to play it, it is always going to derail. One sound came from the garden. Amma, oh Amma. Now Ravi said that is one sound of beggar. He is always coming from last week to our house. And they suddenly went to the garden. Mridu and Meena also followed to Ravi. Rukmani, she is going to say that Ravi, please tell that beggar to go away. Ravi went to beggar and he said to beggar that we don't have anything to give you today. Please leave this garden. That beggar said to Ravi, these ladies are very kind from souls. They would not send me away from this garden. I cannot believe on you that they are telling me to leave this garden. Once again the beggar shouted, Amma, oh Amma. Rukmani, now being angry, once again said in loud voice, please go away. There is nothing left in the kitchen. As Rukmani shouted loudly, Ravi didn't want to repeat it to the beggar. The beggar, who has already settled down to rest in the garden, by listening Rukmani sat up and said to all children, okay, I'll go. Only let me have a rest here under this tree. The sun is so hot. The tar has melted on the road. My feet are already blistered. Blistered means very bad in condition. He has boiled on his feet. He stretched out his feet to show large pink peeling blisters on the soles of his bare feet. By watching these blistered feet, Mrudu whispered to Meena and Ravi, we don't have any old pair of chappals in our house. Ravi said, I don't think so. Meena and Mridu wants to search in the house. So all three children were decided to search an old pair of chappal for beggar. They rushed inside the house once again to search the old pair of chappal. The beggar raised his eyes and looked fearfully at the road, gleaming in the afternoon heat, and he needs something on his feet. While all the children were searching chappal in the veranda, Mrudu's eyes fell on old-looking chappal as she has noticed when she arrived. Ravi whispered, "Whose chappals are these?" But without thinking anything, as they found these are just the right size for beggar, Ravi picked them up and all they went once again back into the garden. Ravi dropped the slippers in front of the beggar. Suddenly, he was surprised by watching the slippers, but without thinking anything, he wore the chappals and vanished around the corner of the street. The music master came out of the house and he was searching for his own chappals in the veranda where he had put them. But he was not going to find his chappals. So he called Lali to search them out. Lali too came from house and she too started searching the chappals. But it is again useless because they were not in the veranda. Lali went into her house and she explained to Rukmani all the things. Rukmani came outside of the house and she started telling to music master that sometimes many vendors were coming to the door, might they have stolen your chappals. Rukmani was very angry when she started watching to Mrudu, Meena and Ravi. Mrudu started shivering. She wants to explain all the things that they have done. She started telling with shivering voice, there was a beggar, poor thing, he had such boils on his feet, so we gave the old pair of chappal to him. Ravi started telling, Amma, you are telling about Karna who gave away things he had. Even his gold earrings, he was so kind and generous. But Rukmani said, Karna didn't give away other people's things. He only gave away his own. But my chappals won't have fitted the beggar's feet, Amma. Rukmani was very angry now and he said to Ravi, go inside this minute. She hurried indoor and brought Gopu Mama's chappals and requested to music master to put on it. Very happily, music master wore it and he went off. As Mrudu and Meena, they were looking to each other. Now Rukmani called Mrudu, Meena and Ravi into the kitchen. As she were telling them to eat something. And the same time she is telling to them that when your Gopu Mama will come home, he will suddenly throw his shoes and socks and ask for his chappals to wear. So what should I answer? At last, let me remind you to focus on values such as sincerity, care, and compassion as represented in this lesson. Have a good day.